Hi, my name is Shima and I'm an information specialist at McMaster Continuing Education. Today I'll be discussing the benefits of taking a continuing education course. Students value the industry-specific expertise of our instructors and the in-demand skills and knowledge to help them get ahead in their careers. We offer more than 200 diverse courses and workshops that blend both theoretical knowledge and practical application to help you expand your skill set and advance your career. Many of our students are working professionals with families and other responsibilities, trying to advance their careers while juggling other demands. To accommodate these busy schedules, our online courses are flexible and convenient and offer options to study on weeknights and weekends. Most of our programs have multiple start dates each year with online self-study courses that allow you to do your coursework when it suits your schedule. Depending on the program, you could earn a credential in as quickly as 4 months or space out your courses and even take terms off if needed. We encourage you to visit our website at mcmastercce.ca to view an entire listing of the programs offered. For any questions or concerns, please feel free to use the contact page to reach out to us, and one of our information specialists will get back to your concern. Thank you for tuning in.